biggest publisher, Penguin Random House, if I'm not mistaken in full name, kasi Penguin has bought already some other big companies in publishing. So he is one talented Filipino writer na already writing not for the Philippine readership only, but internationally. So you can buy the books of Professor Danton Remoto, not only in fully booked national, but also in Singapore, US, Europe. We are very lucky to have him. He is also a very talented professor. Just a few days ago, Professor Danton, I was with a group of Anvil Business Club. They had a dinner forum with Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte, and she told me, you are one of her best professors. Magaling ka daw. Imagine, magaling na mayor ng Quezon City. And I wouldn't want to mention anymore. Nalistahan ako ng mga schools where our guests studied. Ang alam ko na, I didn't memorize everything. Alam ko, he of course studied in Ateneo de Manila University, where he also taught literature and writing to many good students. Wow! Anda! The best, wow! Katalagay ko na dito, susunod ko notes. The best mayors in the Philippines today were former students of our guest speaker today. Imagine Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte, ang constituent niya, 3 million people. Bigger than some European countries. Estudyante ni Dr. Remoto, si Vico Soto, na very outstanding mayor of Pasig City, estudyante din niya. Including the very famous, get well soon, Chris Aquino, former student din niya. Yes. And as may na pa isang band, singer, na sinabi niyo na, yes, sabi niyo, nakalimutan niyo siya. Sabi niya, sir, sadyante na, Rico Blanco. And also, he studied at Ateneo de Manila University. He also studied at Rutgers University. Tama pa pronunciation? Rutgers University. Miami University, if I'm not correct. Nagdududa ako nag-aral siya doon. Ang ganda ng Miami sa lahat ng movies and TV. Baka nagtakuan silang kasi Miami parang tourism area. And then, nag-aral din si Professor Danton Remoto sa Stirling University. Nagkamali nga isang tao namin nung ginagawa postcard, sabi niya Sterling University. Kasi pera yun Sterling. Okay, Stirling University. Etc. Kung saan pa siya nag-aaral. Nagturo din siya, our guest speaker also taught in Nottingham University in Malaysia, a very expensive, I heard, expensive school. So we are very fortunate to have a person of diverse talents and very good teacher to speak to us about two topics. The main topic is writing fiction and getting accepted by a global publisher. Kaya yung mga mahilig gumawa ng romance novel dyan or fantasy movie or ghost story or whatever, this is our chance, all of you, to ask questions, be challenged, be inspired by the great Danton Remoto. Welcome for the opening statement of Professor Danton. By the way, one reason we invited him, kasi he has a new book which he will discuss coming out this month worldwide. And also, this year is the 10th anniversary of Pandesal Forum. So we have a very unique speaker. Welcome for your opening statement, Professor Danton Remoto. Long president.
Parang Congress, no? Meron pang... Parang Congress, yung opening statement pa, parang Congress. Quadcom. You know, I'm so happy to see all of you, sa totoo lang. Kasi, alam nyo, I've been writing for more than 40 years. Sa totoo lang. Huli kong nakita yung ganito karaming media people nung nag-file kami ng ladlad.
Nag-party list siya, party list.
Ladlad party list. Mga 10 years ago, 15 years ago yata. Matagal na po yun. So, ako po na-publish luckily ng Penguin Random House. Ito pong libro na ito ay sinulat ko noong 1919 sa Hawthornden Castle sa isang may multo doon. Babaeng walang mukha, no? Kaya hindi ako lumalabas ng isang buwan sa kwarto ko eh. Nasulat ko po ito, pero walang gusto mag-publish sa Philippines kasi ano ba ang topic nito? Medyo bold ang topic nito. Nag-publish lang ito after 25 years. Kasunod naman o year 2020, ilo-launch namin ito ng March sa Singapore, sa US, sa UK, nagka-COVID. So, hindi natuloy, malas talaga. So, nabenta po siya eventually nung COVID. Tapos, ito po, isinalin ko. Ito yung mga libro ng ating national artist na si Amado V. Hernandez.
Wow.
Akala namin walang bibili. Nakakagulat. Mas mabenta pa ho ito sa mga libro ko.
Wow, ilang taon nang namatay ang taong yan?
He died in 1970.
And this was published anong year yan?
1955.
Imagine,
Sinabi ko
1955 bestseller.
mga ibong mandaragin na naging the praying birds. Sa US po, maganda ito. Mga translation. Tatlo ho yan. Amado B. Hernandez, Ibong Mandaragin, Luha ng Buhaya. Pinabuha ho natin ito nung high school tayo.
Yes.
At ito po yung pinakamahirap sa lahat. 1905 novel.
1905, sinong sumulat yan?
Sorry, si ano po, Banal Gatsika.
Ay, si ano yan?
Lope Santos. Dito ho namaga talaga ang mata ko kasi 700 pages po ito. Tagalog, 1905.
1905 may nobela na pala tayo.
Yes, oo. Hindi pa tayo pinapanganak.
Oo,
Pilso.
hindi pa pinapanganak magulang natin. Uy,
Ito
hindi
po,
lang tayo.
nagulat kami, Penguin was surprised because sabi nila, the world is reading Tagalog novelists like
In
Amado
English.
Hernandez in English.
Because
Kaya-
of people like you.
Pero pumunta ako ng Singapore last month, 2 weeks ago, to meet my publisher again. Inassign mo akong i-translate ang Noli at Feli into English.
Wow.
Ang sabi ko sa kanya, ha? Because my Spanish is so bad. I mean, I can speak and understand Spanish, but not a lot. Kasi nung panahon namin, kapalo ba tayo?
Yes, yes.
Sa atin